welcome back to another ukulele lesson. So last week we looked at the features of a ukulele and how to hold it, and we began to play our open strings. So let's just have a quick recap. So make sure that you are mirroring me. Make sure that the flat side of the body is flat against our bellies with our heads pointing this way. Then we're going to put on our seatbelt and hold it in the groovy part down here. Remember our Lego claw from last week? Make the claw, turn it around so our thumb is on top. Gently rest him on top of the neck of the ukulele, so he should be sticking out from the top, he shouldn't be behind. And then we gently pinch with our fingers underneath. So not really tight, it's just really loose. Now do you remember what we use to help us remember the strings on a ukulele? Gorillas can't eat apples. So I've got my G for gorillas, my C for can't, my E for eat, and my A for apples. So remember, when we're strumming, we strum with our thumb through the strings, one at a time, and then we can slowly speed that up. I'm not pressing really hard, just nice and gently strumming through the strings. So have a go at that now. Remember, we've been looking at whole notes and half notes. Our whole notes last for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they look like this. Our half notes last for 2 beats. 1, 2. And they look like this. So when you see them above your tab, that tells you how long you need to hold your note for. And when there was a 0, that meant that we were playing an open string. So you needed to look really carefully to see if you were playing a G, a C, an E or an A. So we're going to have a quick warm up now. So play along with the notes on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Okay, next one we're going to focus on the top 2 strings now. So ukulele's ready, make sure they're flat against our bellies. Lego claw is holding and our seatbelt is on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, I think we are ready to move on. Now on our ukuleles, you can see that we've got these little lines going down and across. That's because each space between them is called a fret. So my first gap here, between the end of my neck and the first line, that is my first fret. Then when I move to my next gap, that's my second fret. Third fret, 4th, 5th, 6th, and so on. So when we see our piece of music, our tab, with our 1 on it, it means we are going to put our finger in that first fret and hold it down. So because it's on my A string, I'm going to put my first finger, my pointy finger, on the first fret, on the string, on the A string, and then I can play it. Now if you're not holding tight enough, it's not going to sound so good. So you need to make sure you're pushing with your thumb against the back so you get nice pressure, and it will ring out. Sometimes you need to move your finger around to be able to find the right place, but your partner can help you with that and they'll be able to hear when it sounds right. You don't want to be on the line, you want to be in the gap. So listen out for that ring. So if I see this, I need to move to my E string and I need to put in the first fret, and I can play again. Let's go up a string. So now on my C string. Good. And let's go to the G string, the first fret. Nice. So now we're going to mix it up. We're going to have some open strings and some first fret, okay? So watch carefully, have a practice first, and then we can play it through when you are ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, so that was all happening on our A string. So let's try another one. We're going to try mixing it up. We're going to do, let's do the E string and the A string together. So you're going to get some open notes and you're going to get some first fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we're going to move it up. We're going to go to the top 2 strings and see how we do. So we're going to get those open strings and we're going to have those first fret as well. So be watching carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Now that isn't going to be easy on your first go, so it is going to take a few practices. So when you're ready, have a go at the sheet music provided, have a practice, and then you can play it along to the click track. Have fun guys, enjoy.